Good morning, viewers and vloggers. Today is yet another day. Don't know the date. Do we ever? But we are, my friend and I, Shannon, is going to be building our IKEA furniture today, just so that whenever we bring more stuff over, it's not just overwhelming, I guess you could say. So yeah. So far we have built Clara's bed. Well, Shannon built Clara's bed. I took a shower because she's so nice. And then over here is the playroom's table and chairs. I messed that up last night because I apparently don't know how to follow directions and I lost a lot of parts. So that's just gonna like sit there for now. So yeah, I'm a little embarrassed, but you know, that's that. Desk chair is done. Also a mouse. Cool. The washer is being installed right now. See. Our microwave is here. Yay! And that's the washer installed. Hello, Christopher. Christopher is about to start building. Let us see what the young chap does. Say hello. Is you? Is you, honey dog? Oh, you hungry? Almost done. Good job, Christopher. The desk and chair are now done. Now we're on to the bed. When I say teamwork, you say dreamwork. Teamwork.
Dreamwork.
But so after this part, then comes these triangle parts, and I guess that after we gotta bolt them into place too. So I just kind of want to show you guys something a little bit embarrassing about me, but you see how chapped my lips are? It's because when I get really concentrated on doing something, I have a horrible habit of licking my lips. I need to stop it. I know I do. It's just, I don't even notice it half the time, but it's disgusting. Bad habit. Our building nutrition, which is not nutrition at all. 1 o'clock in the morning, and I think we're almost done. Still got some stuff.
Breaking in the new bed.
Alrighty, this is how it looks so far. Thank you for watching. Today was pretty tiresome. See you next time. Bye bye.